morning, student. Welcome back to our physics class. Last day we complete the chapter of magnetism. You read the chapter properly. Now today we start to solve the exercise. The question answer from the exercise, we solve this part. In the exercise page number 92, what are there? Take the most appropriate answer. We start this once. You will get the answer with your study material. Now I discuss the questions answer here. Which of the following is a non-magnetic substance? What are there? The choice is there: iron, nickel, cobalt, copper. So iron, nickel, cobalt is a magnetic substance. So which one is non-magnetic substance? Copper here. Sorry. The strength of a magnet is strongest at its center, one of its poles, both the poles, none of this. Both the poles. The surest test of a magnetism is attraction, repulsion, both A and B, none of this. Repulsion is the surest test of a magnetism. The region around a magnet where its magnetic force can be experienced is called its magnetic axis, magnetic equator, magnetic field, magnetic poles, magnetic field. Which of the following methods is used to magnetize a magnetic substance without touching without touching it by a magnet? Single touch, double touch, using electric current, by induction. By induction is the answer. A permanent magnet can be demagnetized by hammering, heating, rough handling, all of this. Not only hammering or heating or rough handling, all of this. So answer is all of this. This is the Take the most appropriate answer, A. Now we start B. What is that? Fill in the blanks. The force exerted by a magnet is called magnetic force. The force exerted by a magnet is called dash, magnetic force. A freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in the dash direction, north-south direction. Magnetic poles always exist in pairs. Magnetic poles always exist in dash, pairs. A north pole repel another north pole and a south pole attract a north pole. Opposite pole attracts and same pole repel. So north pole repel another north pole and south pole attract a north pole. Inside the magnet, magnetic lines of force being from the south pole and end at the north pole. The north pole of an imaginary magnet of the earth is near the geographical south pole. Permanent magnets are generally made of iron, steel, cobalt, nickel, or an alloy called alnico. So we complete the B. Now come to the C. Write true or false. Correct the false statements. In a magnet, the regions of strongest magnetisms are near the poles. It is true. If a bar magnet is cut in two pieces, then one piece will have only one north pole and the other will have only the south pole. False. Because we cannot separate the poles of the magnet. Poles always exist in pairs. A magnetic north pole attracts another north pole. False. Same pole repel each other. Magnetic lines of force are straight lines. False. It is a curved line. Electromagnets are temporary magnets. True. Magnets are used in the closing mechanism of refrigerator doors. True. Whenever a magnet is not in use, it should be stored along with other magnets. False. We should keep it with magnetic keeper. This is the number C. Now number D. Answer the following in short. Give 2 examples each of magnetic and non-magnetic substances. Magnetic substances: iron, nickel. Non-magnetic substances: wood, wool, anything we can write. How does the strength of a magnet change along its length? When it goes towards the center, the strength of the magnet decreases. So when we goes to the end of the magnet, that means near to the pole, its magnetic force or strength of the magnet increases. A bar magnet is placed over iron filings. Where will the attraction of the iron filings be? A maximum, B minimum. A maximum, B minimum. Maximum at poles and minimum in the center. Define the following terms regarding a bar magnet. Magnetic axis. What is a magnetic axis? An imaginary line passing through the magnetic north pole and magnetic south pole of a bar magnet is called magnetic axis. North pole. The magnets towards the geographical north is the north pole of the magnet. South pole. Magnets geographical south attracts which pole? That is magnetic south pole. Magnetic field. Where we experienced the maximum magnetism, that is called magnetic field, or the region in which the magnetic force of a magnet is felt by other magnets or magnetic materials is called its magnetic field. Why it is not possible to isolate a single magnetic poles? Because when we broken a magnet, it behaves like a total magnet. North pole and south pole we cannot separate. Name a few common appliances that use magnets. Electric magnet we use in electric bells. In our geometry box, some toys we use the magnets, and also we use by closing the doors of a refrigerator magnets. Today up to this. Okay. Number E up to D. A, B, C, D today we discuss. Next day we discuss E. We discuss the question answer E. Then we complete our annual portion. So this week only we complete our annual portion. Okay. Then we start to revise. So not next class we discuss the question answer of E. Today up to this. Bye students.